Hi, in this video let me show you how to fix in case your Tizen TV, Tizen OS TV is not able to install apps no matter what. The easiest thing to do, honestly, is to turn off your television. Okay, once it's turned off, go in the back of the TV. Even if you have one of the newest TV, I know even Samsung frame works the same, okay? Unplug the TV from your wall outlet or from your power bar. Once it is unplugged, you're going to find the power button of your TV. Sometimes it's on the back. Okay, that's not very usual these days. Most of the time, the power button will be located in the front, somewhere under it. In my case, it's under here, in the middle. Press on that button during 15 seconds. So I'll take my finger and I will keep it pressed. Even if the cable is unplugged on the back, I'm going to press that button 15 seconds just to drain all the remaining energy that is on the TV. After 15 seconds, release the button. Here I suggest you keep your TV unplugged 5 minutes again, just to make sure that it has drained all the electricity. And then after the time has elapsed, go ahead and connect back your TV. This will not delete anything, it's a full restart. Here we go, I have connected back. Power on your TV using the power button on the TV itself. Try not using the remote when you do it. And now the TV is powering on. Fortunately, after doing this trick, you'll be able to install your apps. If not, check your Wi-Fi. Maybe this is the issue. If the Wi-Fi is working with your smartphone and not with your TV, in that case, I suggest you disconnect yourself from your Wi-Fi network and you reconnect yourself. Otherwise, this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.